Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. On May 20, the Jamaica Manufacturer Exporters Association has hosted their third staging of its flagship Manufacturing 360 conference at the AC Hotel by Marriott Kingston, gathering manufacturers, exporters, financiers, and policymakers under the theme Robust Recovery and Resilient Growth. The event, held annually under the overarching banner Shaping the Future of Manufacturing from All Angles, has grown steadily since its 2024 debut, now drawing more than 200 attendees, and it was oversubscribed. But this year carries a weight the previous editions did not. When Melissa made landfall on Wednesday, October 28, 2025, the most destructive storm in Jamaica's recorded history inflicted an estimated 10 billion Jamaican in losses on the manufacturing sector alone. Nearly 70% of JMEA's membership, largely made up of micro, small, and medium enterprises, are still operating below capacity or have ceased operations entirely. And I quote, "The question is no longer whether the sector will recover, but what it will recover into," said Kamisha Blake, Executive Director of the JMEA. Dedicated sessions will tackle supply chain redesign, smart logistics, insurance, and risk financing gaps in a climate volatile economy, and practical pathways to capital. Treasure Bay Estates, a luxury residential development, announced that more than 80% of its available villa lots have now been sold. Verna Henry, Director of Treasure Bay Estates, said the increasing demand highlights a broader shift in how buyers view luxury living in the Caribbean. And I quote, "Treasure Beach offers a lifestyle that is becoming increasingly rare across the region. People are looking for designs that feel authentic, peaceful, and connected to nature while still offering quality development and modern comforts. The balance is what continues to attract interest in the South Coast," she stated. The gated community is in Great Bay Treasure Beach. This planned development features 132 residential lots at an average price of US $90,000, each approximately a quarter acre in size with ocean and mountain views. Each lot is sold with an approved architectural plan from 4 attractive modern designs to suit your lifestyle. Purchasers are required to complete construction within 5 years of purchase. Community features include a clubhouse with pool, gym, an on-site management office, hard courts for tennis, pickleball, and other recreational activities. For the trading period of May 20, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 14,364,970 units, representing 33.10% of market sales activity. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 7,094,544 units, representing 16.35% of market sales activities. Omni Industries Limited with 4,107,012 units, representing 9.46% of market sales activity. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for May 20, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.97 and buying at $158.39. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 38 cents transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.20 and was bought for $114.82. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $4.78 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $212.63 and was bought for $207.85. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit score is either funding your future or slowing it down. Most people think credit is about debt. It's not. Credit is about power, access, leverage, and speed. Your credit score and credit report influence how quickly you can move through life, how expensive opportunities become, and how much freedom you actually have to build the life you envision. The reality is simple. A weak credit profile makes life more expensive. A strong credit profile makes growth easier. And that growth touches everything: your health, your career, your family, your retirement, your lifestyle experiences. Credit is not just a financial administration, it's a life strategy. Every major life decision has a financing component attached to it. Where you live, what business you launch, how you recover from emergencies, how quickly you pivot careers, and how comfortably you retire. Your credit profile decides whether doors open or close, whether you qualify or get denied, whether you pay premium pricing or preferred pricing, whether opportunities arrive with ease or pressure. People often focus only on income. Your credit score is more than a number, it's an engine. And when managed wisely, it can help you power the life you want to build. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.